Okay, we are heading into Walt Disney Studios for the first time. I'm not sure which part of the vlog it'll be because it's nighttime here, but we're gonna go ahead and go in, and it's our day 2 of our trip. It's already almost 8 o'clock. There's our first look at the Eiffel Tower. Take a picture. And there it is. And when you enter, we have Sorcerer Mickey Fountain. Okay, so when you first enter Walt Disney Studios, you go into this building here. The Brown Derby and some restaurants and shops. And you're inside. Okay, so we just rode Tower of Terror. Couldn't film on that. We're just trying to hit a couple of these rides in Walt Disney Studios Park tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and try for Slinky Dog Dash. It's not the same in Walt Disney World. It's not the big roller coaster. It's like it just goes up and down in a circle. And it's a really short wait. So we're gonna just try to get that done right now. Okay, so we're in car number 14 on the Slinky Dog. We're towards the back of this tail. Yeah.
Attention au départ, get ready to go.
Just went. Whoa! It goes up and down, round and round. And the bar goes across the lap so I can slide a little bit. I'm trying to pull myself back up, but we're leaning sideways. We're leaning sideways. And I can't pull myself back up. Oh, Slinky almost caught his too. This is a slidey ride where you slide around the seat. Okay, that was fun. Alright, next up is the racer. Look at that. There they go. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this racer. I know we can't film. Oh, okay. We can't film in the ride, or on the ride. But you get the idea, we're gonna go up and down, back and forth. Look at the barrel monkeys. The barrel of monkeys. Keep going. All right. All that driving, we gotta get some gas at Dynaco. Right there it is. Alright, so this was Slinky that we just did. Just goes around and up and down, and it kind of slides. And then I'm going to show you the racer, since we couldn't film on this one, what this one does. But you're in RC Racer and it goes back and forth like this, so we'll wait for the next one to go so you guys can see it. Alright, so that's the RC Racer one we just did. Kimi and I were in the back row on the end, and the lady she asked us to go, Kimi to go on the end because she said she needed a tall person on the end for some reason. In the corner back seat, she needed a tall person, so we were chosen. Alright, I don't know what's next, but we will let you know when we figure it out. Okay, so next we're going to do the parachutes. We decided to do single rider so we can just get on it quicker, like a walk-on for single rider, and the regular wait's like 20 minutes, but this ride, like all day yesterday and today, we're like a 50-minute wait for this thing. So we decided just to get it done while we were over here for single rider. I I don't think you can film on this ride either, but just showing you guys what it is. That's it. Up and down you go. So next to your station, they've got cubbies to put your stuff in. Oh, I gotta find my way out. And on RC Racers, they also had cubbies to put your bags in because you couldn't take anything on that ride. Kimi and I were actually facing each other, and those parachutes went up really high. I could look out and I saw Ratatouille down there. I saw Big Thunder. You could see construction over there for the new Frozen. I think I saw them building fast. Yeah, you could see construction and everything up there. That was way higher than I thought. Alright, I think next up we're gonna ride Ratatouille. I filmed it last time we did it, when we did it for the first time in Epcot. So this time I just want to enjoy it without the camera. Most of it's, 3D anyways with the glasses. So we're gonna ride Ratatouille. 15-minute wait. Okay, so when you exit the Remy ride here, you can see the restaurant that is based off of Ratatouille. And it's so cute. I like how we can see inside. Yeah, so there's the Ratatouille ride, and then the restaurant's right there, Chez Remy. Okay, so we came in the store for the Remy right outside the ride, and they've got this shirt right here. That's the back. And that's the front. And you got, like the lounge fly for Remy. They've got a meal stuffed animal and a Remy stuffed animal. It says Disneyland Paris on his little apron. And it's just a little shop right here. And candy and stuff. And a little chef hat or chef jacket, a little Remy statue. The Anyone Can Cook book. Alright, there's a lot of people, so move on.
Attention recruits. Training protocol will end in 15 minutes. Thank you.
Okay, so we're in the Walt Disney Studio Park still, and it's about to close at 10 o'clock, but at 10 o'clock they do the drone show for Avengers, and this was something new that they brought in January, and it only goes till May 8th, so we're one of the last viewings of this, so probably by the time you see this vlog, the show would be over and not available anymore to see, but I've heard everybody likes it and they want to keep some type of night show here in the Walt Disney Studio Parks. So enjoy Avengers, and it's a quick show. I think it's like 10 minutes long. There's 500 drones. It's what it says in the app about this show. Yeah, so there it is in the app. Avengers Power the Night.
À toutes les recrues, merci pour vos efforts héroïques d'aujourd'hui. Vous avez fait preuve de courage et de volonté. Mais votre entraînement ne peut être complet sans une dernière leçon spéciale. Car le meilleur moyen pour devenir un héros est d'apprendre des autres héros. To all recruits, thank you for your heroic efforts today. You have shown great courage and determination, but your training cannot be complete without one last special lesson. Because the best way to become a hero is to learn from another hero. Launching special protocol in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And learn, now that you're in the presence of greatness.
after one another, as if we were one single tribe.
En vérité, je suis Iron Man. Mais vous le saviez déjà, non?
À toutes les recrues, merci de vous être entraînés aujourd'hui. Ensemble, nous sommes plus forts.
To all recruits, thank you for training with us today. We are stronger together. This special lesson.
Salut tout le monde! C'est bon, je suis là, on peut commencer. Pourquoi vous partez? Je sais bien, c'était prévu, bien sûr. Dites rien, monsieur Stark.
Hey, what did you think? I hope the video was okay. I was thinking Kari had her phone and the camera. I loved it. We have to go. So we just finished the drone show at 10 o'clock in the other park, but this park closes at 11 and that's when they do their fireworks. So you do have a chance to like run over. You might not have the best viewing, but you do have your chance to run over and try to watch the fireworks in both parks on the same night. All right, I lost Kimi, but we'll find her. I'm running back. Kimi's back there somewhere in the crowd coming in. All right, there she is. We found her. I just took off.
I didn't find her here. I found her back there.
Yeah. Okay. I think we're gonna call it a night for this. We're just gonna enjoy the show. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.